looks like a grinder. Some goes here, the fingers, like that, and like that. So multiple uses, but I'm just gonna show these and don't really have to talk here. Well, it's kind of like a pestle, crusher, grinder, milling stone. Oh. That's paint, by the way. Ah, there we go. That. So you see something like this and you say, ah, it was just used for pounding. That's all because of the thumb notch here. Well, if you look, probably can't see it, very super smooth right here. And it looks like they went like this and ground something. So pestles were used as grinders, is what I'm finding. Yeah, here's another one. And it's crushed on this side, and then this side's very flat for doing that. This one's beautiful.